Dear friends, myself Dr. B.L.Chavan, my roll number is 1. I am presenting the topic Indian Environmental Women Warriors. Dear friends, the environment and women are very closely linked, especially in Indian context. There are many movements which have been launched by women environmentalists. Since the ancient period, the relation between women and environment is known. The women are always ahead in environmental protection and sustainable development. There are number of sufficient proofs of this active participation and capable leadership of Indian women in environmental movements and agitation. In fact, the conservation movements in different forms. Some of the names associated with the environmental movements which have been led by the women activist warriors are the Chipko movement, the Narmada bachao andolan, the other movements like Bishnoi movement, and many more movements are there. Just we will have to refer some of these movements with reference to the women leaders. Amrita Devi is one in which we can say that it was the movement launched by Amrita Devi for protecting the environment, which is the first recorded historical movement which dates back around 300 years in Rajasthan against the tree cutting for obtaining the wood which was needed by the Maharaja for his palace construction. Actually, Amrita Devi and other 27 were killed by the people of Maharaja while protesting against the tree cutting. But the Maharaja realized the importance of environment and he assured the native people that thereafter he will not obstruct any of the movement and he will come forward to protect the forest resources for the common people. This movement was launched by Amrita Devi, who belongs to Bishnoi community. That's why the movement is known as Bishnoi movement. Another name is Gaura Devi, who is associated with the Chipko movement in Uttarakhand. Actually, Chipko means to hug a tree. The movement was launched in order to protect the trees from falling down. That's why the Gaura Devi organized along with her fellow women to hug the trees and protect against the tree cutting. Actually, this is the story of Chamboli village. From the village, the main people were outside, and the tree cutting people came over there to cut the trees. Gaura Devi came to know about it and she protested against the cutting of trees or felling down of trees. Along with other women, consisting of 27 people, they tried to hug the trees. In the protest, they were killed. But even then, the message spread, and in surrounding villages also, the awareness was created, and this movement was spread all over the region. This movement is popularly known as Chipko movement. Another women environmentalist warrior is Medha Patkar, who is associated with the Narmada Bachao movement or Andolan. She played a very powerful role in creating the awareness against the construction of large dam, Narmada River. The proposed Sardar Sarovar Dam was a multi-crore project and was about to displace more than 3,20,000 people. And Medha Patkar started the movement to protest peacefully against the Narmada project, which was successful in different ways. Sunita Narayan is another name who is always creating awareness among the masses through her writings, through her active roles. She is associated with the down to earth as she is one of the directors. She has played great role in framing the policies as she was the Prime Minister's Climate Change Council's member, and she was also member of National Ganga River Basin Authority. She is still playing various roles related to environment. She is leading environmentalist in the country. She also deals with several resource management related issues and water related issues. Medha Patkar, Sunita Narayan, and equally the Maneka Gandhi is also another name which has played a great role. Especially Maneka Gandhi is known for her love for the animals, and she has led an organization, she has founded an organization named People for Animals, through which she has created the awareness. It is the India's largest animal welfare organization, and she believes on non-violence, and therefore Maneka Gandhi took an initiative through various TV programs to create the awareness. She has been awarded for her great work in the field of environment. Vandana Shiva is another name. She works on Gandhian philosophy. That means she involves in peaceful environmental movements. She has worked in various fields. Though she is a physicist, she also has worked as a philosopher of science. She has worked on various kinds of problems like biopiracy, soil not oil, the environmental justice, staying alive. These are some of the examples through which we can know her better as an environmental activist. Sugata Kumari is another name known in South as Indian environmental protestant. She has played great role in protecting the Silent Valley. Especially, she launched the movement for the protection of Silent Valley and created the awareness in Kerala and successfully protected most of the region through her movement. Radha Bhatt is another name from Uttarakhand who launched the Nadi Bachao Andolan. She has also played a great role. She walked about 200 kilometers to create the awareness and movement and raise the voice for the protection of environment in Himalayan and adjoining states which were about to get deforested and the ecosystems were likely to get destroyed. She also works for the people's right on water. The overall observation is that the environmental movements led by women environmentalists are most of the times successful because they are studied, they are close to the nature, that's why they have love and affection to the environment, and moreover, they are of social participating sources. They encourage the society to participate actively with understanding by enlightening their views on sustainable development, and therefore the movements are successful. This is a little bit about the great women environmentalists in India who protected a lot of movement, created lot of awareness and protected the environment in the country. Thank you very much.